Zombie, 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 oh, oh, oh.
It just sounds like you're hurting. Ow, 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 ow.
We're gonna trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky, little lights.
The weather is really nice, so we are gonna go to Duke Farms, which is like a garden. Everything is closed, so there's literally nothing that we can do besides just going to look at trees.
If we were about Chloe,
Oh, no pets allowed. But Chloe is not a pet. She's just a little doggy.
little puppy, Ron.
Just a little puppy.
I'm just a little puppy. I ain't done nothing wrong.
See that?
No, what happened?
Yo, a fly just like right in my eyeball.
Oh, David, it's the great outdoors.
Nothing like the great outdoors, huh, Pop?
I hate this. I hate it. The fly decided it's gonna come and hit me right in the eyeball for no reason.
Because it's like, you don't belong here.
It's really saying that.
This is my crib. Right here,
Ew, why is it whenever you do that, you have a country accent?
because this is my crib right here. We still have to install the roof, but you
The
know,
windows and doors.
there is no way the door was this big. And they're like, and it took like 5 days to open a door. Oh, I didn't expect these creepy women to be here. Why is she all like, don't look at me. Don't look at me. She's the musician. She looks like she's like, I love to play Ed Sheeran for fun.
Yeah, she's that girl at the party. This one's the girl that's always lit.
Yeah,
Like,
she's
yeah,
got the
let's
wine.
go!
This one's the reader. It's like, I'm just gonna play with the dog.
This one is always trying to get people to try her herbs.
Essential oils.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a headache? Hold on, I've got like this coconut essential oil. Oh, actually, it's just coconut oil, but
This one's always trying to start stuff.
he said, what? Girl,
Oh, for real? You wanna do that?
hold on, let me grab my knife.
She's trying to find the love of her life.
She's like, honestly, just want to find my own Romeo.
Yo.
How creepy would it be if they just turn to life all of a sudden? I would probably run away.
I wouldn't. I'd be like,
She's the one that's like, free the nipple. Also, free the nose, apparently.
sometimes I wonder, like back then, if women were attractive. Because you know they didn't really brush their teeth in like Greek time, and they didn't really bathe that
Yeah.
much, and there was no deodorant.
Well, how about if I just stop brushing my teeth and stop wearing deodorant
And not
stop
wear
bathing
makeup and not.
for a week, and then you see,
No,
you
that's
judge. David, run into the field like you're a girl wearing a summer dress.
Okay.
And I'm dressed in Dior. J'adore Dior.
We're on our way to the meditation garden. It looks like a bunch of weed. Maybe that's why it's the meditation garden. Yeah.
I'm gonna check for ticks when we get back to the car.
Yeah. This is David running away from ticks.
There's so many ticks here. There's like 5 that were on my leg. That person that's in the Hallmark commercial, I mean the Hallmark movie, where you go into the country and they're like, that city boy can't even stand anything. And then the woman's like, maybe the city boy wasn't for me all along. Maybe it's the country boy that's been in my heart the whole time. That's me.
So what are you saying? That I need to get the country boy?
antagonist.
Oh.
I mean the antagonist, not the antagonist.
This summer, one woman has to make a decision. A city boy or a country boy. Coming to a theater near you.
Actually not, because it's Corona time. It's literally running away from the ticks. Don't let him get to you, David!
I found 3 more ticks on my shoe.
Are you serious?
Yes, stop.
Wait, maybe I should check for ticks.
Yeah, you think? Right there, right there, right there, right there. You see that? See that right there? Tick. It's getting in your shoe. Okay, hold this. Back of your legs. Nah, you look like you only got 1. Meanwhile, I had like 6 of them.
You took it all from me, David.
You're my savior. No, take this. That really sucks. I was really hoping to get to the meditation garden,
Yeah.
but I guess to get to meditation garden, you gotta go through a lot of stress.
So that you can overcome it. And then
It's like, here's a field of ticks. If you want to get to the meditation garden, pass it.
go through some stress first.
I did not make it, sadly. I did not.
It's like Dora. Like you have to go through the tick garden first.
Where are the tick gardens?
On your feet. Alright, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to actually give it a like and comment what your favorite part was and subscribe to see more of our videos that are coming up. Now, the Dutch words of the day are by Jan Koopman, and he says that you should say, als de kat van huis is, dansen de muizen op tafel.
Aus the huis from the houses, from the cat to the mouse house.
Dansen de muizen op tafel.
Dance and the mice in the household.
Alright, see you next time. Bye!
It's the tumness. Come here, Lucy. Here. Not too much farther, Lucy. Not too much farther. It's a dead end, Lucy. I'm a poor, poor fawn. I didn't mean to do it to you, Lucy. The end. That's how
Nice,
Narnia ends.
that was
That's
good.
How Narnia ends.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right, cool.